Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Riaj and in this video I am going to show you how to conduct video conferencing calls through the Say Namaste application. So guys, let me give you a short introduction about this newly launched video conferencing tool that has been designed for the Indian users. Namaste video conferencing app is introduced as an alternative of popular video conferencing software like Zoom, Google Hangouts, Skype, Cisco WebEx meetings, and so on. The platform allows you to place a video conference call by creating a meeting link and sharing it with the participants. Say Namaste will also be participating in Indian government's Innovation Challenge for development of video conferencing solution that has been announced by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology under its Startup Hub initiative. At the same time, the government is offering a 5 lakh Indian rupees for the top 10 qualifiers of its challenge, and the final winner will get rewarded by the 1 crore Indian rupees. So that's all about the introduction part. Now let me guys show you how this Say Namaste application works practically. First of all, you have to open a new browser tab, and in that tab you have to write saynamaste.in and hit the enter button. It will be navigating us on the Say Namaste application interface. As we see, currently this interface is available in beta version. Most of its features are still under development. This platform is powered by Mumbai-based web application and software development company called Inscripts. On this Say Namaste application interface, two options are present. One is create new meeting and another is join existing meeting. So if we want to start video conferencing call, then we have to click on this create new meeting. Once we clicked on this create new meeting option, then it will be asking us to enter our name. Here I am going to write my name, Riaj, and click on start meeting. As we see, host gets entered in the meeting. In this meeting, there are lots of options are present. I will tell you these options one by one. First one is video calling option. You can enable or disable your video through this option. If you don't want to show yourself to the other participant, then you can turn it off. Like this. This one is mute unmute option. If we don't want to speak anything, then you can keep it on mute, and if we want to speak something, then you can unmute like this. This one is a screen sharing option. Let me click on this. Okay, so it will be asking us what exactly we want to share, whether we want to share our entire screen, whether we want to share application window, whether we want to share the Chrome tab. Okay, we can also share the audio along with the video by selecting this share audio option. So whatever we want to share, we have to click on this and then click on share button. I am not going to show you anything because currently these features are under development. Let me click on cancel button. Here we can see the share meeting details option. Let me click on this option. It will show us the meeting URL, meeting ID and its code. So for inviting participants, we have to copy this meeting details. Let me copy this and share with the participants. We can invite participants through any communication channel like WhatsApp, Facebook, email and so on. For simplicity, I will show you how to share this meeting details through the WhatsApp. For that purpose, we have to open a new tab and write here web dot whatsapp.com. To log in, we have to scan this barcode through our mobile WhatsApp application. We can also follow these steps which are present on the screen. Let me scan this application barcode. Waiting for open. Okay, so from here we can share these details with anyone who we want to invite. Okay, so let me paste this. Let me paste this invitation link here. And click on send button. So at the receiver side, this link will get displayed along with the meeting ID and its code. Currently for presentation purpose, I have sent this invitation link to myself on the mobile. So let me log in through my mobile. Once I clicked on the invitation link, it is asking me to enter my username and its code. I am entering my username as B and the code which is present on the screen like this one, 8J38IB, and click on join meeting option. Let me go to my host screen. Okay, so here we can see the added participant will get displayed at the right hand side. Let me set this with my water bottle. Okay, so all the added participant will get displayed at the right hand side, and the presenter will get displayed at the center. We can also able to send messages within a team through the chat option which is present here, like hello. At the same time, we can also able to send the attachments through this part. Currently this application is in beta version, so we can able to add participants up to 25 only. So that's all about this application works. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.